Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 5.26, and in this question it is given to you a stone of mass m tied to the end of a string revolve in a vertical circle of radius capital R. Clear? Net force at the lowest and highest point of a circle we have to find. Clear? Now listen carefully. Let's suppose I am taking here this an example. Let's suppose at this time we have a stone of mass m, it at lowest position. Actually we are having a motion in a vertical circle like this. Clear? So at the lowest position it is given T1 is the tension. So tension will act in this direction T1. Clear? I can see here V1. So V1 is the velocity at the lowest position. Clear? Our objective here is to calculate net force acting. Clear? And we can say here force is acting, this is mg. Clear? Now if we talk about net force acting I can say F net, this is acting on lowest position. I can say this is equal to mg minus T1. Clear? So this is a force and we can say this is equal to, I can say mv1 square by capital R. Clear? So our objective in this question is to calculate net force. So net we can see net centripetal force is provided like this. Clear? Or you can say if you see from non-inertial frame, it means let's suppose you are observing from stone perspective or from the reference of a stone, you can see centrifugal force will always act in an outward direction. Clear? So you can say, you can also write like this, mg plus m v1 square by r, this should be equal to T1. Clear? But our objective in this question is to calculate net force. So net force I can say this is mg minus T1. Clear? Yes or no? Mg minus T1. Clear? Now if we talk about at highest point, what will happen at highest point? So let's suppose this is highest point. At this highest point we can say T2 is acting in this direction. Clear? And we can say this is the V2. Clear? So mg is also acting in this direction. So net force that is acting towards center along radius, we can say this is equal to mg plus T2. Clear? This is equal to mg plus, we can say T2. Clear everyone? So now we can say which option is correct. We can directly say option number A is correct. Clear everyone? Yes. Clear? So this is all about this question.